Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 150 divide in the parenthesis 5 multiply 5 plus 18. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. But before solving this question, I want to see your answer. So please stop this video right now and comment your answer step by step with solution. Okay, I am personally giving a score out of 10 to your solution. Okay, so now let's see who gets a perfect score 10 out of 10. Okay, after comment you can check your answer by play this video. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so in this question here we have one parenthesis and one addition. So first priority is parenthesis, so first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay, in this parenthesis we have one division and one other parenthesis. Okay, so first priority is parenthesis, so first we have to solve this parenthesis. So is equal to, in the parenthesis, 150 divided by 5 multiply 5 is equal to 25 plus 18. Now here is one parenthesis and one addition. So first priority is parenthesis. So 150 divided by 25, okay, is equal to 6. 6 plus 18. So now 6 plus 18 is equal to 24. So the correct answer is 24. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.